just now we have seen simple past tense, and now let us understand past continuous. What exactly is past continuous? What is the structure, and like what kind of helping verbs we take here, like how way to use those helping verbs, and number of examples on that. Okay. Coming to simple past continuous, first I will try to define, and then later on I would go on to the board. Okay. So past continuous is nothing but any action started in the past. Say this is present, this is past. So any action started in the past and going on in the past. Once again I repeat, any action started in the past and going on in the past at any point of time, Now this is the definition. Like if you go with the definition, I'll write on board. Past continuous. The simple definition is any action going on in the past. Simple definition. I have simplified it rather than making it complex for you. So any action going on in the past at any point of time. If you want, you can add even this, at any point of time. This is the definition word for past continuous. Let us see syntax or structure or formula for this. Syntax or structure for this would be subject plus helping verb plus. Earlier in the simple past tense there was no helping verb, right? And in past continuous again the helping verb has come into picture. Now here onwards it would be like a little confusing rather than complex or rather than difficult. It will be little confusing. Okay, subject plus helping verb plus, as it is continuous, V1 plus ing plus, if you want you can put object or you can delete object. It's your call purely. Now this is nothing but the syntax or structure for what? Past continuous. And coming to helping verbs, let us see what kind of helping verbs we take or we make use of here. Coming to helping verbs, we make use was, comma, were. These are the helping verbs we take in past continuous. Okay, now let us see where to use was and where to use were, or with what person pronouns we use was and with what person pronouns we use were. Okay, coming to was, we make use of was with I, he, she, it. Okay, and coming to were, we make use with we, you and they. See, once again repeat, here the structure is subject plus helping verb plus V1 plus ing plus object of course. And coming to helping verbs, we take was and were, and was is followed with the personal pronouns like I, he, she and it, and where is used or followed with we, you and they. Let us see some examples on this. Now let us see what kind of examples. First positive and then let's switch to negative examples. Once again I am using same verb, watch. I was watching cricket when dad came. Now this is a sentence by using I is nothing but subject, was is helping verb, watch V1, ing, cricket, all complete. This thing is object. Now if you observe this thing, when were you watching cricket? You were watching cricket when your dad came to your house. Okay, if someone comes and asks a question, when were you watching cricket? When? You said it's in the past tense, okay, but when exactly? If someone asks it, when, the answer is this one. When dad came, you were watching cricket. When dad came. So this is nothing but a point of time, when dad came. Okay. Now let us see with personal pronoun we, plural of I. We were watching cricket when dad came. Like we subject were helping verb, okay, with we, like what kind of helping verb we take? We take were, right? With we, like were, watch, v1 ing, this one is object. So if you observe these two examples, these two follow with the structure, like subject helping verb, say subject helping verb v1 ing object, subject helping verb v1 ing object, subject helping verb v1 ing object, right? Okay, now let us take the example with you. Use nothing but second person singular as well as second person plural. You were watching cricket. I'm going with the same example so that you can understand, but once you understand all the tenses as I have like repeated earlier, please like keep on changing the like helping keep on changing the verbs, okay, and keep on writing or practicing so that you can become very perfect. Okay, you were watching cricket yesterday. With you it's were, right? So with you it's were, okay. I we you, like is the subject. With e we make use of was, helping verb, watch v1 verb in the first form, cricket when dad came is nothing but object, okay. She is the subject referring to feminine gender. Was is the helping verb we take. Watch v1 ing as it is, and this one is nothing but object. I'm taking out it, okay. I'm not using an example, I'm not writing an example by using it, but if you want you can write down. As I told you earlier, there is no meaning, but if you want like if you want for technicality purpose, you can write down like it was watching cricket when dad came. With personal pronoun they, we make use were helping verb, right? So they were watching cricket when dad came. Subject or helping verb, watch v1 ing, and this one is nothing but object. So like if you observe, all these are positive sentences, all these are examples for what? Positive sentences under or by using past continuous. So any action started in the past and going on in the past, okay, at any point of time. Here the point of time is when, right? Okay, now let us see, or let us jump into negative sentences and let us understand like how exactly it looks like or how exactly it sounds like. Here in the negative sentences, here like for negative sentences in past continuous, you have to bring not again. You have to bring not, that's it, and insert, okay. Now where to insert, let us see. See, I is subject, was is helping verb, with like was is helping verb we take or use with I, not, implying or giving what? Negative meaning, okay. Watch v1 ing, not, okay, and this one is object. suppose like say you were studying for an examination, you were studying yesterday for an examination, okay, and you are like mother came and shouted at you saying like, you know, why you are watching cricket, then you can say like, you know, mama, like I was yesterday I was not watching cricket when dad came, I was studying. Okay, so this is a negative meaning. This is a sentence giving negative meaning. Let us see with we. We were not watching cricket. We, subject with like person pronoun we make use of were helping verb, not, nothing but not, giving or implying negative meaning, watch, v1 ing, and this one is what? This one becomes object. You were not watching cricket. This is subject, helping verb, not, giving negative meaning, once again like v1 ing, object, like IVU, right? Let us go with E now. Like what kind of helping verb we take or we use with E? It is was, right? So E was not watching cricket. So this is the subject, this is the helping verb, not, giving negative meaning again to the sentence, v1 ing, this one is what? Okay. She was not watching cricket. Subject, helping verb, negative meaning, not, v1 ing, and what? Object. And last one we are using they. With they we take use or we make use of were, right? They were not watching cricket when dad came. They is subject, were helping verb, not, giving negative meaning, v1 ing, and this one is what? Object. Now all these are examples. All these are what? Examples for, okay, all these, I'm sorry, all these are examples for what? Examples for negative sentences. Okay, you can write down as it is. All these are examples for negative sentence under what? Past categories. So what exactly we have done? If you observe keenly, like we have added the word not, giving negative meaning, right? Not. So where exactly we have added? After helping verb. So this is the place where you need to write like not to frame negative sentences for this. And this is something about the structure. Subject, helping verb, not. If you want the structure, these are the structures. You can write down in your notebook a structure. Okay, these are the negative sentences. Now let us see like how exactly questioning sentences look like, or how exactly questioning sentences sound like. Okay, examples for questioning sentences. So now this is the helping verb, like with I, see like with I we take or we use was, right? The same helping verb. I is the subject here, and watching, watch is v1, ing is ing, cricket when dad came is, I'm putting it or labeling it under object. Okay, this is the time frame. Once again I repeat, when is the time frame. Okay, in the next examples I won't repeat this, just try to like understand this one. Okay, now let us see example with like, you know what, we. Let's go with we. Coming to we take use of were, right? So were we watching cricket? Were we watching cricket when dad came? So where is nothing but helping verb, we subject, and watch is nothing but V1, and this is ing. Cricket when dad came is object. Were you watching cricket? When dad came, helping, where is the helping verb? You is the subject. What is V1? ing is ing. Cricket when dad came is object. Now let us go with personal pronoun E. Was E watching cricket when dad came? Okay, like was is helping verb, is the subject, what is V1, ing is ing, cricket when dad came is what? We have labeled as object, right? Okay, now let us go with personal pronoun she. Was she watching cricket when dad came? Was is helping verb, she is the subject, what is V1, ing is ing, cricket when dad came is object. Okay, I'm neglecting it, okay, as there is no meaning to that. If you want, you can write down. Okay, I'm going with the personal pronoun they. Were they watching cricket? When dad came. Now what is where? This is the helping verb. They is the subject I have taken. What is V1? ing is ing. Cricket when dad came is what? Object, right? So all these are what? Questioning sentences. All these are questioning sentences under past continuous. Okay. Okay. Now let us have a fast, okay, recap of all the sentences under past continuous, like positive sentence, negative sentence, and question sentences. Okay. Coming to first example, like I'm taking I, positive sentence. I was watching cricket when dad came. Negative sentence. I was not watching cricket when dad came. Question sentence. Was I watching cricket when dad came? No. We. Positive sentence. We were watching cricket when dad came. Negative sentence. We were not watching cricket when dad came. Question sentence. Were we watching cricket when dad came? Now you. Positive sentence. You were watching cricket when dad came. Negative sentence. You were not watching cricket when dad came. Question sentence. Were you watching cricket when dad came? Now E, taking personal pronoun E, positive sentence. E was watching cricket when dad came. Negative sentence. E was not watching cricket when dad came. Question sentence. Was E watching cricket when dad came? Now personal pronoun she, positive sentence. She was watching cricket when dad came. Negative sentence. She was not watching cricket when dad came. Question sentence. Was she watching cricket when dad came? I'm deleting, neglecting it. I'm straight away jumping into they. Okay, personal pronoun they. Positive sentence. They were watching cricket when dad came. Negative sentence. They were not watching cricket when dad came. Question sentence. Were they watching cricket when dad came? Now these are the positive, negative and questioning sentence under past continuous. That's it for today. Thank you.